Hey guys, what's up? It's Yobi1 and we're vlogging on Valentine's. I am about to cook hubby a Valentine's Day dinner, which is gonna be quick. And
I want to help you.
Alright, you can help.
Yeah, I
have a little helper. But
hey guys, what have you done?
she wants to help. But it's gonna be quick and easy because we're gonna do steak and mushrooms and shrimp and sweet potatoes. This is one of my favorite meals. I'm a meat eater. I love steak. And so we're going to get started. I already have my steak prep. I just season it with black pepper and salt, and that's it. I use a little butter, thyme, and garlic when in the preparation when I am basting it in the skillet. And we are going to saute some mushrooms and have some sweet potatoes. So let's get started.